If you're only using the basic camera in Blender, you're missing out. Here are 5 camera tricks you need to know. Depth of field. Your focus object stays sharp while the background blurs, adding a cinematic look to your scene. Align camera to view. Find the perfect angle in the viewport, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 to snap the camera to that view. Lock camera to view. Lock the camera to your viewport so you can easily adjust the perfect framing. Camera tracking. You can lock the camera to an object or parent it to an empty to orbit around. Focal length. Adjust the lens value to switch from wide angle to portrait shots with different perspectives. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials.